Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Prius battery. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including insulated gloves and eye protection, when working with high-voltage systems. Begin by locating the 12-volt auxiliary battery in the trunk and disconnecting its negative terminal. This crucial step prevents accidental electrical discharge during the main battery replacement. Now let's get to the main event. You'll need to remove the rear seats and any trim panels covering the hybrid battery compartment. Once exposed, carefully locate and disconnect the high-voltage service plug. This is a critical safety step. With the power isolated, unbolt the old battery pack and carefully lift it out. Remember, these batteries are heavy, so use proper lifting techniques or get assistance. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. It really helps the channel grow. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music and control your smart home. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. With the old battery out, it's time to install your new or reconditioned hybrid battery. Carefully lower the replacement pack into the compartment, ensuring it sits correctly. Reconnect all the high-voltage cables, making sure each connection is tight and secure. Don't forget to reinsert the high-voltage service plug. Finally, replace all the trim panels and the rear seats, ensuring everything is properly fastened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.